Hey guys, today I am going to show you another plant tutorial, and this time we are going to make miniature snake plant. Check out the materials and pattern link in the description box. Before cutting the image, don't forget to spray it with a transparent sealer. This will protect the image from getting smeared if wet or fading from the light. When you cut the image, make sure you are not mixing the images from the first row with the second row. They are actually different, and it is very important that we don't mix them. So I am going to cut one leaf from the first row and one leaf from the second row. Then I am going to glue the unprinted part of the leaves together and make sure that the tips are aligned to each other. Next, paint the side of the leaf using a yellow pen marker to remove the white part and also to enhance the yellow color on the print. This will really make a big difference. So here are the cutouts, and again, don't forget to cut the smaller leaves because this is also important for the arrangement. Slightly curl the leaves using a lollipop stick and then slightly twist it. You can also use a cocktail stick. Next, arrange the leaves in your chosen plant pot. And here I am going to use this beautiful dark brown ceramic pot that I purchased online. And I also already glued a styrofoam inside. Next, apply glue to the bottom of the leaf and simply stick it to the styrofoam. Don't forget to use a picture reference of the plant for a better arrangement. Then lastly, I cover the styrofoam with these pebbles. There you go, another plant for your collection. Thank you so much for watching this video, and good luck and have fun to your miniature project. Bye bye and see you next time.